Don Bosco Varigat.
Friends, Don Bosco Varigati, a Center for Career Guidance, Training and Job Placement. In this video, the Google has come up with a new internship program for students. The program called STEP Software Student Training in Engineering Program for Internship 2025. Different states in India and students those who want to have an internship and apprenticeship program. This is a wonderful opportunity, and this is summer internship starts in the month of May, and it will be for 10 to 12 weeks of duration. Students preferred locations like Bangalore, Karnataka, India, Hyderabad, Telangana, uh, Pune, Maharashtra, and other parts of the states can make use of this opportunity to equip yourself for this internship program. Minimum qualification, bachelor program, majoring or intending to major in computer science or related technical field, experience in one or more general purpose of programming languages, ability to communicate in English fluently, to actively participate in technical discussions. I think this is a minimum qualification. It is preferred, and also preferred qualification currently enrolled in full-time degree programs and returning to the program after the completion of the internship. Also, students' ability to complete full-time, like 10 to 12 weeks of internship from May to August. Also, excellent programming skills with the C++ and Java and Python. Students, those who are also doing the second year, it will be open to the underrepresented groups who will be in the second year of their university studies by the summer of 2025, and also studying in computer science or related subjects can make use of this opportunity. It is main component is those students who are interested in working in software projects, skill based training, professional development. All these aspects are being addressed here, and you have a specific responsibility, specific various projects related aspects should be considered. So this is a wonderful opportunity brought by Google. Students can apply here. If you go here, you will be given this profile to create. So I request students those who are interested in computer science related subjects, who want to update yourself with 10 weeks to 12 weeks of internship program. This is a wonderful opportunity. So wish you all the best. Thank you.